And I'm Deepika, and we are back with another video.
So in today's video, we'll be testing out Wish free makeup,
which is not at all free. You have to pay a lot of shipping.
So the real motto behind this video was the previous video.
Yes.
So in the previous video, we had ordered first time from Wish.com, and we had ordered like so many random things.
Yeah, I know.
If you haven't seen that video,
the link would be in the description.
Do check it out.
Yes.
So in that video, we got so many questions, over like 180 comments. Mostly the comments were, this site is fake, this site is scam.
Yeah.
Did you receive your products? I ordered, I did not receive the product.
Yeah. And like, are you guys lying?
These guys, Priyanka, Deepika, are scam.
Yeah, and it was so funny.
And
like,
so few people thought that we were sponsored by Wish. For your kind information, Wish does not do sponsorship. They don't need sponsorship.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But if Wish wale dekh rahe hai, please you can sponsor us.
Yeah. It's really fun ordering from Wish.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we ordered it again just because we got those questions.
Like they did not
receive the products because we received all the items that we ordered last time. So that's why we tried and order again.
Yeah.
And this time we feel you guys.
Yeah, we got scammed this time. Oh my god.
We get it now that what you guys were saying.
Yeah, because we couldn't relate with you guys because you were saying हमें products मिले नहीं, हमारे पैसे चले गए.
एक जन नहीं बोला. There were many.
Yeah,
many of them saying that we did not receive the products. It's been 2 months, over 2 months, over 3 months, and till today we get those comments.
Yeah.
Did you guys get your order?
Yeah.
All questions like that.
Yeah, so we feel you guys because
so this video is just for you guys.
yeah. So we did not order too much like from the last time. If you have seen our video, we ordered.
So last time as we ordered random things, this time we planned and ordered makeup. Just to try Wish makeup.
So by the way, the full face is Wish free makeup.
Yeah.
So we ordered around 11 products and we paid like 2,000 rupees shipping for
all the 11 products.
Yeah, like total was 2,000 rupees.
So dividing that,
181 per product.
Yeah. But we received
only 8 products this time. We did not receive 3 products.
So after dividing, each product costed us 250 rupees.
Yeah. So which is not that bad, but still we did not receive the 3 products. We are really bummed about it, but we still got 8 products.
Yeah.
So really happy about that because कितने लोगों को तो उनका पूरा order ही नहीं मिला है.
So this time we started receiving our products early, like 15 to 20 days. We waited for 3 months.
Yeah, because we thought कि these products are coming so early, शायद वो products आने में time
लगेगा. So we waited for 3 months, but we are not receiving any product.
Yeah, and like they've crossed the deadline. I don't think we're gonna receive.
No. If we do, then we will update
you guys about that.
So let's talk about the products and review it.
Yep.
So the first product we'll talk about is this foundation.
Yeah.
So as we received it, we were really shocked.
Yeah.
So,
because in the picture it was like this. We thought that it's gonna be this huge.
Yeah, and we got it in this. I think this is a travel size.
No, this is sample size. Oh. But thankfully it came with a pump, which is nice.
Pretty cute. Yeah. The consistency is not too thick, not too thin. It's a very lightweight. Yeah, lightweight. It's not lightweight,
but it doesn't feel anything. So when I was applying it, I was really shocked with the consistency because it was so nice. It was just perfect, and when I was like, it blended really well. I have acne on my forehead, so it covered that, which was
it's pretty full coverage.
Yeah, so it's pretty full coverage, but it is not that. It's not that thick
or cakey.
Yeah. It looks really natural. Yeah.
And the shade matched so perfectly.
Like it looks great on me.
Really love it. We did not expect anything from the foundation.
Yeah.
But then thumbs up for it.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
The next product that I tried was the concealer palette. Okay, that was
really cute. Just looking at it, it feels so cute.
So I tried this shade and I think it looks pretty nice. Like my under eyes, concealer palette is also full coverage. It covered my under eyes, although I don't have that much.
Yeah.
But still it looked really good.
And it's pretty multi-use palette.
Yeah, because you can use that as a contour thing. There's color correctors as well, and I think there's a shade for every
everyone, yeah, really impressed.
Yeah. This product was a hit.
So the next product that we tried is this Focular Face. We had tried this brand before. We did full face of Focular too. We'll be listing that video in the description, so do check it out. But their products are so affordable. They have their own website too, so you should check it out and try their products.
So last time when we ordered it, we ordered like a foundation, something like that, but we did not order this.
We did not get that time.
Yeah.
It was out of stock.
So when we saw this on Wish, we and it was free, so.
And one more thing, their highlighters are amazing.
Like it's a loose powder, basic loose powder. My face looks matte right now.
Yeah. As our face is like combinational, our T-zone gets oily.
And this was in shade number 2.
Yeah.
And yeah, love this
You
one.
get this puff with it.
Yeah, Focular. Nice. We really like this one.
Till now, we are impressed
Yeah.
by the Wish makeup.
Yep.
No regrets.
So the next product that we tried was this
Eyeshadow palette that we
yeah.
got last time.
Yeah. So
Basic.
Basic, yeah. It's very chalky. It's very difficult to blend on the eyes. So not really liking it.
Yeah.
It might look okay on camera, but I don't really like this product.
Same, yeah. It's not doing anything actually.
Yeah.
पहले तो फिर भी दिख रहा था कुछ तो, but now it's nothing on your eyelids.
Yeah.
Yeah. The next product is this sketch pen eyeliner and stamp.
Yeah.
So this was the most awaited product. I was really excited for this product because this is like this. Because it would be easy to get the wing on points.
Like we thought like this will make our job much more.
It's gonna change our life, but then
yeah.
No.
Color is pretty like it's not jet black. It looks really faded. I don't know how it's capturing on camera
because it's already turning light. It's
Yeah.
not jet black.
Not at all jet black, and not liking the
This
shade.
is capturing.
It's not pigmented, I would say.
Yeah.
Not liking. Did not like this one
At all. This is a total
bummer.
Yeah. So the next product was this mascara. What's the mascara?
The mascara is basic. Did not do anything like not wonders to my eyelash. Like it's a very basic mascara, as you can see.
Not too much to talk about it.
Yeah.
It's pretty basic.
Yeah, just a normal mascara. Yeah, let's talk about this. It's a very nice.
So where's the green one? Okay.
So we got pack of 4.
So we damped this one.
And this one is a normal size.
So it did its job.
It blended pretty nicely. After that, you can just place it over here like
For
this.
drying or anything like that.
So it's very nice. I like the stand as well.
Yeah, I like the colors too.
Yeah, the colors are pretty cute.
So let's talk about the
Blush and the contour palette.
So we get 3 things: highlight, blush, and contour. Contour is not for our skin tone.
Yeah, it is, that color is more like my face color.
Yeah, you can use it as powder.
Yeah. So the blush is pretty nice, blended really nicely, and it looks pretty natural.
It's not chalky.
It's not chalky. I am pretty surprised. Yeah. It's not at all chalky like the Miniso makeup blush.
Yeah.
It was
bad.
Yeah. But this
has pigment too.
Yeah.
And good one, not like those fake blushes.
Yeah, this looks really natural.
Yeah, this looks really natural.
And this highlight is good. It's not that pigmented.
But it is not for our skin tone.
Yeah, it does not suit my skin tone. Yeah, the highlight was not for my skin tone, but the blush is.
But we can use this highlight as an eyeshadow.
Yes, we can.
It's really pretty.
Yep.
Really impressed.
So the last product is this eyebrow gel. Pia, can you give me your hand?
So we'll try it on our hand rather than trying it.
So it's like this. Let's wait for some time.
So this is what the eyebrow gel looks like. Whoa. It definitely has some pigment, but we were scared to try it on our eyebrow. Looks green though.
Yeah.
It's smudge proof and everything, but why does it look green? Thank God I did not try this. Mehendi.
So that's it for today's video.
Which one was your favorite product?
I really liked the foundation because it blended really nicely
and really matched your skin.
Yeah, it really matched my skin, blended really nicely, and it's full coverage. You can't see my acne, so I'm really happy about this one. Which one is your favorite?
My favorite was I really like the concealer palette
Mm-hmm.
and the highlight contour palette too.
And the most worst products, I think the mascara was okay, so I don't really like like it.
And the stamp, eyeliner stamp.
It was the worst.
It did not work. It did work, but it's pretty light. First time use, maybe we are getting this color. It's not worth it. One more bummer was that we did not receive the 3 products.
So we couldn't test it out.
Other than that, Wish makeup, total thumbs up.
Amazing. Yeah, if you have any questions, queries or video suggestions, do let us know in the comments down below.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And if you did, then like, share and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you'll never miss a video from us.
And also do follow us on Instagram at Priyanka Deepika Shelar.
Bye!